Dear children, today we have to learn Standard 9 Subject Social Science chapter number 17. The name of the chapter is the Natural Vegetation. What is the name of the chapter, dear children? Natural Vegetation. Natural, it means Kudrati. Vegetation, it means Vanaspati. Vegetation is an important part of the human life. First of all, dear children, we have to learn about the introduction part. In the introduction part, you know very well that vegetation is an important part of the human life. Why? Because in day-to-day life, we are using the vegetation in the different purposes. And vegetation, it means vanaspati. That's why they have to give it. Vegetation is an important part of the human life. It is the difficult to imagine the life without the vegetation. Dear children, what happened then? Here it is the difficult to imagine a life without the vegetation. Why? Because in day-to-day life we are using the vegetation from the different purpose. Like example, for the commercial purpose also. So same way, what happened then? Here it is difficult to imagine a life without the vegetation. Why? Because you know very well that in India, near about 5,000 varieties of trees are to be the available, and out of 5,450 trees are used for the commercial purpose. And information that given in Ayurveda that 2,000 medicinal plants are described into the Ayurveda. So here they have to say that it is difficult imagining a life without a vegetation. Its importance has been accepted by our ancient scripture and by the modern science. And that's why what happened, dear children, it is the important has been accepted by our ancient scripture and by the modern science. They have to be given that India has a large diversity of the natural vegetation. What happened, dear children? You know very well that India has a large diversity. India has a large diversity of the natural vegetation. In the terms of vegetation diversity, India holds the 10th position. If you have to see the terms of the vegetation diversity, then India hold which rank? India hold the 10th position rank in the world level. In the Asia level, India hold the 4th position in the natural vegetation diversity. A forest. Now, dear children, they have to given about the definition of the forest. What is the definition of forest? A forest is the group of tree. What they have given that a forest is the group of tree, and those trees which grow in the natural condition. What happened there, dear children? A forest is a group of tree, and this tree which grow in which condition? In natural condition without human help. What happened there, dear children? Here, whatever the trees are grow, these trees are grow in the natural condition without a human help are called as a forest. So, dear children, here they have to given about the definition of the forest. Now, dear children, what happened that here they have to given about the natural vegetation. What they have to given that, dear children? They have to given about the information of the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation, it means Kudrati Vanaspati. The diversity in natural vegetation of India is created due to the following reasons. What happened then, dear children? Here they are given the following reason. That's why we can say that in India we find the diversity into the natural vegetation. Now, which are their reason? First, they have to given about the relief features. Which one, dear children? First of all, they have to given about the relief features. Relief features is mean Bhuprushta. Second one, they have to given about the soil. Soil, it means Jamin, Madi. Second one, soil. Third one, dear children, they have to given about the temperature. Temperature, it means Tatmana. Fourth one, dear children, they have to given about the insolation. Which one, dear children? Insolation. Insolation, it means Surya Prakasha. Fifth one, dear children, they have to given about the rainfall. Which one, dear children? Fifth one, they have to given the rainfall. Rainfall, it means Varshadnu Praman. And sixth one, they have to given about the humidity. Humidity, it means weather. So, dear children, they have to given about this 6 region due to which we have to find the natural vegetation of India into the India created due to the following region with the diversity. Which are the 6? One is the relief feature, second one soil, third one temperature, fourth one insolation, fifth one rainfall, and sixth one humidity. And this all these things you have to learn into the previous standard. Now dear children, due to the diversity and the relief like mountain, plateau, plains, desert, etc., a diverse pattern into the vegetation is seen in India. What happened then dear children? Here they have given that due to the diversified relief like mountain it means पर्वतों, plateau it means उच्च प्रदेशों, plain it means मैदान, desert it means the रण प्रदेश, etc. A diverse pattern in the vegetation we have to see into the India. There are the different soil. What happened then dear children? Here in India there are the different types of soil are available. Which are the types of soil available? You take the example like alluvial soil, black soil, mountain, desert. These all are the types of soil is there we have to found into the India. This variation in soil, what happened there? This variation in soil also created the different vegetation, the different in temperature and the humidity in the cold Himalaya region and in the south peninsula region also bring the variation in vegetation. What happened that dear children? We things bring the variation in the vegetation, the difference in the temperature. What happened that dear children? Difference in temperature, humidity in the cold Himalaya region, in the south peninsula region bring the variation in the vegetation. The insolation over any place. What happened there? Insolation over any place depend on its latitude and the longitude. That's why they have to given that insolation over any place depends upon the latitude and the altitude. Vegetation grow the faster where there is a more rain in the insolation. What happened there dear children? Vegetation grow the faster where there is a more rainfalls in the insolation. Thus there is a diversity in vegetation due to the sunshine. What happened then dear children? That's why we can say that here the diversity in the vegetation due to the sunshine and the rainfall distribution in India is also the unequal. Dear children, you know very well that the rainfall distribution is India is also the unequal, which is turn cause the diversity into the vegetation. There are about the 5,000 varieties of tree in the India, dear children. How many varieties of trees in India, dear children? 5,000 varieties of the trees in India are available. Out of which 450 trees are useful for the commercial purpose. What happened there? Here in India, 450 trees we are using for the commercial purpose. Besides about 15,000 flowering plants also grow, which form about the 6% of the world. How much? 15,000 flowering plants grow, and which occupy the 6% of the world form. Non-flowering plant. What happened there, dear children? Here they have given about the name of the non-flowering plant. Which one? They have given that fern, algae, moss, etc. are also found in our country. India is famous since from the ancient time for the herbal plant. Your children, you know very well that the India has also the famous for the ancient time for using the herbal plant. Herbal it means Ayurvedic. About 2,000 medicinal plants are described in Ayurveda. How much, dear children? Near about the 2,000 medicinal plants are described in our Ayurveda. Thus it can be said that India has a diversity in vegetation, and due to that, dear children, we can say that India has the diversity in the vegetation. Now, dear children, they were given the information of the types of the natural vegetation. What they were given there? They were given the information of the types of the natural vegetation. Here, existence and the growth of any vegetation depends on the climate of the region. What happened there, dear children? Here the existence it means astitva in the growth of any vegetation is dependent on the climate. Climate it means above of a region. In the region of the identical climate, what happened then? In the region of the identical climate, the vegetation seen is mostly the identical, and that's why what happened then? In the region of the identical climate, the vegetation you can see the mostly the identical. Region of such ecological, what happened there? The regions ecological similarities are called the natural vegetation region, which is also called as a natural vegetation region, dear children. The region of such ecological similarity, which one? The region which have the ecological similarity are called as the natural vegetation region. On the basis of the altitude, what happened there, children? On the basis of their altitude it means ऊंचाई, soil it means जमीन, rainfall it means वर्षा, the variation in the temperature it means तापमान की विविधता in the natural vegetation region can be divided into the 5 types. What happened there? On the which basis you have to divide the natural vegetation of the region in the 5 types? On the basis of the altitude, the basis of soil, the rainfall, and the variation in the temperature in the natural vegetation of region can be divided into how many types? Divided into the 5 types. Which are the 5 types, dear children? First, they have to given about the tropical rainforest. Which one? Tropical rainforest it means उष्ण कटिबंधीय वर्षादी जंगलों. Second, dear children, they have to given about tropical deciduous forest. Which one? Tropical deciduous forest it means उष्ण कटिबंधीय खराऊ जंगलों. Third one, dear children, tropical desert vegetation. Which one? Tropical desert vegetation it means उष्ण कटिबंधीय कांटाळा जंगलों. After fourth one, dear children, they have given about temperature forest and the grassland. Which one? Temperature forest and the grassland it means समशीतोष्ण कटिबंधीय जंगलों અને ઘાસના મેદાનો. And fifth one, dear children, they have given about the mangrove forest. It means ભરતીના જંગલો. So dear children, here they have given the 5 types of the natural vegetation region, and this natural vegetation of region divided on the basis of the altitude, soil, rainfall, and the various of the temperature. And which are the 5, dear children? Tropical rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical desert vegetation, temperature forest in the grassland, and fifth, mangrove forest. So now, dear children, we have to study these types of the natural vegetation into the detail. Thank you, dear children.